So what we'll do before we go any further, we'll have a look at the programming on this radio, show you how to set it up, and then the basic operation will then become a lot clearer. So it has a digital tube character function. So basically it's got a concealed display behind plastic, like there's a few radios on analog that have sort of got this feature now, but it's really sort of reminiscent of the Motorola SL1600 style display. It's bright and it's quite simple and easy to view. You've got limited features and settings on there, so you know exactly where you are within the radio. It's IP67 waterproof. It's got a really rugged, sturdy design. It's tougher, and as I say, it is waterproof, so it's ideal for the outdoors, for someone who's going to be stood out in the rain, for someone who's going to be using this hiking, camping. It's between the two zones at the push of a button should you program one of those buttons to do so. It's got single call, group call and all call on the DMR side of things. It has 2 slime slots, so it's compatible with any other DMR system, Motorola radios, Retevis, TYT, all those sorts of radios it's still compatible with. It's got 2-tone and 5-tone signalling for the analog side of things. It's got remote stun and remote activate. It's got Compander, so it has that's basically audio compression that compresses all audio when you transmit and then expands it when you receive, so it cleans up the signal, helps to improve the signal to noise ratio. Has a scrambler on DMR, and it's got Vox function, so that's basically voice activated transmission, and you can set the thresholds in the programming software. And of course it's got a scan function with a rubber seal around it which protects the speaker mic and programming port on the side. And that just goes back on like so and screws into place. We've got a little label on the side there which you can write the owner on or the radio's number. On the back we've got the opening for the battery and the battery contacts. We've got 2 screw threaded holes there for the belt clip, and on the top we've got a hole for a wrist strap or a lanyard. On the top we've got the channel selector knob there which goes all the way around, and we've got the volume control and on-off switch as well, and of course there's an LED indicator on the top there to show you whether the radio is in transmit or receive. Antenna just screwed into the top like so, and of course it's an SMA connector, so you can remove this and upgrade to an external antenna should you need to, no problems at all. And then on the front of the radio we've got the speaker, and at the bottom we've got a microphone hole. And if we switch the radio on, you can see the bright display there, so you can see we're on DMR and we've got this set to channel 1.